Good morning, everybody. It's now Tuesday, the 10th of May, 2016, around about 10 a.m. GMT, and time for our market forecast for today. Starting off with the GBPUSD, the British Pound US Dollar. As you'll recall from yesterday's video, I said the market seems to now be bouncing off this outer trend line over here. Now we see this bullish engulfer forming here, and quite probably providing us with trading opportunities today. However, before I enter into this trade, I would like to see the market break through convincingly through this level over here, and then I'll go long on the British Pound US Dollar. Looking at the Euro US Dollar, more or less the same thing happening in the vicinity of the outer trend line. The market is now forming an engulfing candle. Now please wait for these candles to complete before we view them as engulfers. They have another 2.5 hours to go before we have confirmation. The same kind of pattern developing on the US dollar, Euro US dollar. And again, I would like to see the market take out previous levels in a long movement before I enter the trade long. The US dollar, Japanese yen, still pushing ever upwards as per the last few forecasts, and we can see the market still edging towards the trend line over there. Definitely worth watching today. I do believe that there would be very nice trading opportunities on the US dollar, Japanese yen. Looking at gold, quite a surprise here on gold. Burst through this trend line yesterday afternoon. Currently, a new low is forming over here. Definitely worth watching gold, but I would like to reserve judgment on this one until this afternoon and then give you guys an update on gold again. US dollar, South African rand. You'll recall that I did 3 trades on the USDZAR yesterday. 2 of them successful, very successful. And the other one I got stopped out more or less there. But hey, no harm, no foul. I do believe that this currency pair will still extend to this trend line over here. I'm going to let it do so and then make a trading decision when it does. Silver. We see more or less the same pattern on silver as on gold. These precious metals have been mimicking each other recently. I wonder if we're not perhaps seeing the formation, the early stages of the formation of a king's crown here. Definitely worth watching out for. It doesn't really meet the king's crown criteria at the moment, but it might at a later stage. As you can see, this pattern is starting to develop, so we'll keep an eye out on that one. Oil price has been steadily on the increase for the last 2 hours or so, 2 to 6 hours, and definitely also worth watching out for. I would personally like to only trade oil once it exceeds one of its previous levels. Then we'll know that the market is actually looking at a longer term bullish pattern. That's it from me this morning, folks. Not a lot of excitement in this morning's video, but hey, we can't always have fun. Sometimes we have to wait for those trades to come in, and sometimes patience is profit. So if you found this video helpful, guys, please go ahead, click on the link, subscribe, and make sure to catch all of our videos and profit with us. Until next time, until this afternoon actually, trade safe.